I'm off to Bladen to get some coffee beans, and I'm taking my pet self-flying drone with me. All of the shots on this 1-minute video were shot on this drone, apart from the security camera footage up there and the product footage. It's a tiny camera. It's amazing.
Mode, hover. Zoom out. Follow. Orbit. Bird eye. Custom dolly track.
This is dolly track, so it's recording me as I'm walking towards it, and I'm using the microphone, and it's taken the noise of the drone out. I'm going to walk backwards, make sure there's nobody there, and it's going to follow me, and you can still hear my audio, and you can't hear the drone, which is a little bit noisy. But as long as you've got the app open, then it'll record from my radio mic here on my chest. I'm going to stop, and then after 3 seconds, it'll recognize that I'm there, and then it'll come towards me. In theory, here it comes, and then it'll...